So man, we just burnt the midnight oil all in one day. We went crazy.
Seal it, man, seal it.
Number 1.
Your watch item is next on the block. Sold.
Number 2.
Your watch item is next on the block. Sold.
Number 3.
Your watch item is next on the block. Bonus time. Sold.
Number 4.
Your watch item is next on the block. New bidder. New bidder. This is a hot lot. Bonus time. Sold.
Man, it's been a minute, Luther.
This is the 2023 Toyota Tacoma that we picked up at the salvage auction. This thing is really dirty and we're ready to get started on it. And we like to start out with these things nice and clean and nice and shiny. And that way we can find the little dents or whatnot that this thing might have. We brought up the Green Machine 2.0 to get this thing rinsed off. So let's wash it up. And then we've got a nice MAXI dent puller. We're going to try to pull the dents out of this cab corner. This truck doesn't have that much damage at all. This cab corner is creased up a little bit. I'm 99% sure we can save it. So we've got a little bit of suspension damage, a little bit of damage to the tailpipe, a little bit of damage to the spring hanger. We're going to pull that right back down. And the drive shaft is 100% missing. So why don't we go ahead and get this thing cleaned up and shined up and see how it all looks. We'll pull it up into the shop and get started on that cab corner with that MAXI dent puller and get it all pulled out, get it ready to get painted, and get it ready to get back on the road. We've been working really hard and we've already picked up a brand new bed. We don't want anything to slow us down. We had to ride all the way to Gainesville, Georgia to pick these parts up, but it's going to keep the build moving forward. So let's go ahead and pull this truck in the shop and let's get the dent pulled out and get it ready before JP and Caleb get up here. We're going to get this truck fixed today.
Alrighty guys, so check out this bed. We got it. It's a 3rd gen bed. We've took it all apart. Me and JP's been working on getting this thing sanded down, getting the stickers off of it, getting it ready to paint blue to match the truck. So over here, our Bondo man, Mikey, he's been working on this cab corner, getting it all smooth and slicked down, getting ready to primer. He's also been taking off the stickers here about right there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna keep this up, get everything primered, and hopefully get this thing painted.
We got this cab painted. We got the door painted. We're about to put the door back on here. We painted every bit of what we had to paint. And look at that cab corner. That thing is 100% OEM. So let's hang the door up. Let's get the bed parts and let's kind of see where we're at. Or maybe we'll call it a day because it's been a long one today. But this truck is definitely coming together. So just like that, guys, we got the bed parts all painted up. It's been a long day, and I think we're just gonna call it a day. Me and JP are wore out. Caleb went home a long time ago. So we got everything painted, and now it's ready to get back together. So we gotta get to work and get it put back together, and we got a couple of things we gotta do on the suspension to get that going, to get the drive shaft put in. But I hope you're enjoying this build so far. Thank you so much to all the subscribers. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.